Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi.
Here we have this really smart example of the Audi A3 Sportback in Technik specification with the 30 TFSI 110 PS engine and slick 6-speed manual gearbox, and it comes finished in a solid ibis white paint finish. This approved used A3 is a 21 plate which has had just one previous owner, and it's done just over 25,650 miles, whilst it boasts a full Audi dealership service history. Some of the key exterior features include the striking LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, as well as the stylish 16-inch 5 double-arm design alloy wheels, and this A3 boasts a large and spacious boot with 380 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your everyday needs, such as your weekly shopping for example. And here we have the rear interior of the car, with the rear seats finished in the smart black index cloth, and these seats are comfortable and supportive and feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points. And here we have the even more impressive front interior, with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, alongside the platinum grey silk effect paint finish inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior, alongside the stylish front seats. And one of the key interior features of this A3 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as a satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you. And complementing that, there's a 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display where you can access a range of useful features including the satellite navigation, as well as the DAB digital radio, external media connectivity, as well as telephone connectivity, and there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly. And finally, you can easily adjust the settings of the various driver assists, including the rear parking sensors. This brilliant interior also boasts easy to use air conditioning, and in the centre console there's a couple of USB Type-C ports, the slick 6-speed manual gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there's plenty of storage as well.
This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.